Alright, at para naman po sa lahat ng ating mga guests, sabay-sabay naman po nating kantahan ng birthday song si Maya and Jaya in the count of 3. Alright, in 1, 2, 3, and sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, yung mas masaya.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, at bago kong i-blow ng ating birthday celebrants ang kanilang birthday candle. Birthday wishes po muna ni Mommy and Daddy.
Wish ko sa mga babies, kay Maya and Jaya, ay maging malaking, sana maging mabuting tao, kabata, and sana maging malusog kayo, healthy, and less sa mga pahamakan, and laging happy, baby. Thank you.
And parating magmahalan silang dalawa. Palaging magkakampi.
Walang away.
Alright, at ang birthday wishes naman po namin ni Jollibee ay ang matupad lahat ng birthday wishes ng bawat isa para lamang kay Maya and Jaya. Kaya naman, Maya and Jaya, pwede nyo na i-blow yung birthday candle in 1, 2, 3, and blow! Alright, now Maya and Jaya is
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, para naman po sa ating mga guests na gustong magka-souvenir picture